importing course components into a D12 course. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import a course export zip file into a D12 course. So to get started inside of the Desire to Learn environment, you're going to want to enter the course that you would like to import your files into. So I'll start by selecting my course, and then I'm going to come up to Course Admin and choose Edit Course. This will bring me into the course administration area. From here, under Site Resources, I'm going to choose Import, Export, Copy Components. On this page, because I'd like to import components, I'll choose Import Components. Now I'll need to select Choose Files so that I can browse for my export. Here's my D12 export file that I've selected, and I'm going to choose Open. Now that I've selected the file, it's appearing here, I can choose Start. The pre-processing progress will show with the green checks. You'll want to ensure that you have 2 green checks before you move on. Next, you'll choose Continue. And now you can choose under Import Options, if in File Manager you have a specific folder you'd like this to be imported into, you could enter in the title of a folder. Or you can leave this blank and it will just import into the File Manager. Below that, you can choose whether an existing file is overwritten or not overwritten. So if you have maybe newer items in this course, you might not want to overwrite those. But if the newest items are being imported, you might want to choose to overwrite. So I'm going to choose to overwrite because my newest items are in the zip file. Under that, you can select the components. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to select all, but note that you can select what you'd like and even individual items. Next, you'll choose Continue. You have one last chance to go back and make modifications or changes. I'm going to choose Continue. And now the importing process begins. It's important not to interrupt this process and to allow for it to work all the way through until you see a green check next to each of the items. I can choose Continue, and I'll get an import summary. This says that the course import was successful, so I've completed my import.